Smiley, baby. Oh, stretch.
He's opening up.
Smile for Mama.
Hi.
Come on, talk.
Yeah. How you doing? Yeah, you were talking lots for Grandma, huh? You were talking lots for Grandma.
Yeah, but he says he'd rather watch that.
No, he always tries to grab for the camera.
Look at you.
You try to grab for the camera? Oh, don't cry. Don't cry.
I'm just complaining.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. You go, baby. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Yeah, talk to Mommy. Talk to Mommy. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. You're not supposed to cry. You're supposed to talk. You were just talking really good. Yeah. What? I'm going to have to do a video later because you're fussy now. Yeah. You're not ready. You're not ready to perform.